low serve, short serve, put it into the sidelines by Sohal. Sudhakar Sharma serves low serve to Sohal and a good reply by Sohal. And it's right on the backhand side of Sudhakar. I just could not reach there. Sohal serves very good high serve and a high toss reply by Sudhakar and a net reply by again a toss by with great difficulty Sohal reached there, but the reply was weak and killed by Sudhakar. Sudhakar serves high serve and a net reply by Sohal, but again a good reply by Sudhakar Sharma. Sudhakar Sharma is serving again a low serve, deceptive serve, and a equally good deceptive reply by Sohal. Cross court net play got him an immediate point. Sohal gives a very good serve, backward serve, toss, but there was a equally good reply by Sohal. Equally good reply by Sudhakar, and he got the point. Sudhakar Sharma serves. It's a low serve, and not a very good reply by Sohal, which was immediately smashed by Sudhakar Sharma. Sudhakar served low serve, and a reply by Sohal goes out. First game is taken by Sudhakar Sharma. Second game to start, Sudhakar Sharma serves low serve, very good serve, deceptive serve, could not be reached by Sohal. Sudhakar serves high toss serve, very good serve. This type of serve is very difficult to negotiate because shuttle comes at 90-degree down. Sudhakar serves high serve on the backhand of Sohal. He replies, but it was a little weak reply and immediately killed by Sudhakar. Sudhakar serves a very good deceptive serve, low serve, and reply of Sohal goes out. अब ना वो देखते रहना पॉइंट्स सही से. Sohal replies goes to the tram lines out. Sudhakar serves. It's 4-0. Now it is 1-4. So Sohal gives a very good cross court net reply drop net drop. Good service by Sohal, but goes out. Point good shot by Sudhakar Sharma. Backcourt toss on the backhand of Sohal. Sudhakar Sharma serves good high toss serve. Then a high toss reply by Sohal, and again a good high toss reply by Sohal, but little outside. Sudhakar Sharma serves to Sohal, but service goes out, long service. Good service by Sohal, but by Sudhakar. Sudhakar to serve, Sudhakar serves. It's a high serve on just the middle line. And a weak reply was very deftly replied by Sudhakar. Cross court net drop and gets a point. It's a water break now. Good exchanges and Sudhakar gets a point. Good service, deceptive service, slow service. And Sudhakar gets a point. Sudhakar to serve, high serve, good reply by Sohal, good net reply, and well, good tap by Sohal, and get a point. Sohal gives a serve, low serve, and a good reply by Sudhakar, and gets a point. This was a drive serve and got an immediate point. It was a weak reply, which was cross court drop given by Sudhakar and gets a point. A good service by Sudhakar, which lands in reply of Sohal lands in side court, sidelines. Good service by Sudhakar. And reply was not very good by Sohal, but missed by Sudhakar. Sohal serves, goes long. Good reply by Sohal. Oh, great point taken by Sohal. Good high serve by Sohal. And a equally good reply drop by Sudhakar Sharma. Sudhakar serves, high serve, backcourt serve, and a very nice net reply by Sohal. Good net drop. Good deceptive high serve by Sohal, and a display of good backhand, and gets a point. Sohal serves again long. कितने point हो गए यार? Sohal serves back. point. It's a match point. High serve and net reply by Sohal, but Sudhakar reached in time and got the point, and he has won the game. But a great game, great court coverage by these players and 65 plus players. Great, they have fitness level. Another very good match is continuing. MD 55. Four great players are playing. On one side is Ram Lakhan and Navdeep from Punjab, and on another side is Vajender and Rajpal. All four are very established players. Look, look at their control over the game and the kind of strokes they have. This is just a treat to watch. First game has been won by Vijender and Rajpal. Second game is continuing. Navdeep is serving to Vijender and Ram Lakhan smashes in the middle, but Navdeep could not negotiate. Rajpal gets the point. Ra- Rajpal serves to Ram Lakhan. Good low serve and a very good cross court net reply by Vijender gets them a point. Rajpal ready for the service, low service, backhand service, and a very good reply by Navdeep, and a smash by Ram Lakhan, and a net reply tried by Vajender but was not successful. Ram Lakhan serves. Ram Lakhan is ready to serve. Low forehand serve. Vijender replies, net reply, and a very good display of backhand by Rajpal. And Rajpal gives a net reply and net drop, but his reply goes out of the court. Ram Lakhan serves to Raj. Change of shuttle. Shuttle being tested by Ram Lakhan. Vijender to serve. And it was a flick serve, but attacked by Navdeep. And net reply by Ram Lakhan. And again a drop by Navdeep, good drop. And Rajpal also drops. Rajpal gives a net reply, was immediately tapped by and attacked by Ram Lakhan. Oh, very, very good net tap by Rajpal. Gets them a point. It's a half time drinks break. Time to rethink, to work out strategies, change of tactics. In second game, also Rajpal and Vijender are ahead. They both are from Chandigarh, and Ram Lakhan is from Jalandhar. It's 12-9. Rajpal to serve to Ram Lakhan. Very good reply by Ram Lakhan. Vijender could not reach it. Ram Lakhan to serve to Rajpal. Very good backcourt service by Ram Lakhan, gets them a point. Flick serve. It was a very good flick serve. Ram Lakhan low serves and then smashed by Rajpal, and a good reply by Navdeep. Put it out of court by Vijender. Ram Lakhan serves, good service and good reply. Equally good reply, good tap by Ram Lakhan, get a point. Ram Lakhan serves, low service and reply was not good. Net reply. Ram Lakhan serves to Rajpal and a good flick serve. And smash by Rajpal, smash by Vijender. And a net reply by very good net reply by Rajpal, good net drop by Rajpal. Again a toss by Rajpal in the backcourt. Again a mid-court push. And then a net play by Vijender. Beautiful game going on. Vijender smashed in the mid-court between both of these players. A great rally it was. Wonderful. Vijender serves. Very good flick serve. And a very good smash by Navdeep. And a net reply by Ram Lakhan, gets them a point. Great display of capability and skills. Navdeep to serve to Vijender. Very good serve and very good reply. And a net drop by Rajpal. Rajpal smashes, but a very good angle turn by Navdeep, gets them a point. Navdeep serves to Rajpal. Good service, good reply, but then Navdeep put it into net. Rajpal serves to Navdeep. Very good flick serve now and good reply by Navdeep, which was put out of court by Rajpal. Navdeep smashes and a smash by Rajpal and a good backhand by Vijender. Very good strokes shown by Vijender, 2-3 strokes, very quality strokes. And this Rajpal just taps it. And a very good smash by Vijender. Very good display of quality shots by Vijender and others. Vijender serves, but a weak reply gets Navdeep opportunity to kill. Ram Lakhan to serve to Rajpal. Good service, good reply. Again a good reply. Again a good exchange of flat drives, but in favor of Ram Lakhan and Navdeep. Ram Lakhan serves to Vijender. It was a flick serve, deceptive serve, but well negotiated by Vijender. Now the exchange is going on, and a good net tap by Navdeep, and a good toss by Rajpal, backward toss by Vijender, and then a flat exchange of drives. Now a net drop by Rajpal, and gets a point. Toss of Navdeep goes out. Rajpal to serve to Navdeep. Good flick serve, and then good drop by Vijender, and good exchange is going on. Now beautiful, very good try by Vijender, but ultimately Navdeep and Ram Lakhan get the point. Navdeep serves, goes outside. Costly mistake in a well contested match. Unforced errors should be avoided, but these do happen. Vijender to serve to Ram Lakhan. Good smash by Navdeep. Now this is 1 all. Great display of talent and capabilities and quality shots. They are all quality players. Now Gaurav is coaching them and giving them the tips to change the tactics. Final third game in progress. They have Ram Lakhan and Navdeep have won the second game. Now Navdeep serves, flick serve, Rajpal responds, good response, but net reply could not be taken by Ram Lakhan. Vijender serves to Ram Lakhan, and a good smash by Rajpal. 2 love in favor of Vijender and Rajpal. Vijender serves to Navdeep, a good reply, and then a good reply by Ram Lakhan, but just goes out. 3 love, good service, but a little weak reply by Ram Lakhan, and immediately killed by Vijender on net. Vijender serves to Navdeep, smashes, good reply by Ram Lakhan, and a opportunity for smash to Rajpal. It was a mid-court push, got little high, and good opportunity to kill for Rajpal. Vijender serves forehand low serve, and a very good placing by Rajpal on the backhand side of Ram Lakhan. Vijender gives a very good service, deceptive service, but ultimately point goes in favor of Ram Lakhan. Ram Lakhan serves to Rajpal, good deceptive serve, flick serve, and good toss by Navdeep, but it was in mid court. So these players don't leave mid court opportunity; they just kill it. You have to give them in the back, extreme back. Good service and immediate point. Ace. Good smash by Ramlakhan. Gets the point. Now Deep preparing to serve to Rajpal. Forehand serve, low serve, good reply, and good reply by Ramlakhan, and a good judgment and well left by Ramlakhan. Navdeep serve, low forehand serve on the given reply on the backhand of Ramlakhan. Again, net reply, net drop on the backhand of Ramlakhan, which he could not negotiate. Vijender serves and a attacking. It was a little loose serve, which was attacked by Navdeep and immediately fetches him a point. Ramlakhan serves, two flick serve, deceptive serve. It was a good serve. Immediately advantage gained and ultimately converted into point by Ramlakhan. Ramlakhan serves to Vijender. Vijender gives a good reply on the backhand, and but easy reply could not be negotiated by Rajpal. Things happen. Ramlakhan is calling for a new shuttle, change of shuttle. Such a fast game is going on. Really, it's a great spectacle for the viewers and the players and all everyone. We feel that we Warriors are very fortunate that such a quality players we have attracted and they have come here to just encourage us. This is really 'good exchange going on. Point goes in favor of Ramlakhan and Navdeep. Ramlakhan serves to Vijender. Good reply by Vijender and good smash by Rajpal. Another smash but put it into net. Again the feather goes and change of shuttle. 8-9 is the score in the final game. Shuttle is being tested. Crucial juncture of the game. Now the game can turn any side. 8-9. Ramlakhan serves. Good flick serve. And good tap by Navdeep because it was a loose reply by Rajpal. Ramlakhan serves, forehand low serve, and good exchange and advantage gained by Navdeep by a quick tap. Ramlakhan serves to Rajpal. Rajpal attacks and smashes and gets the immediate point. Rajpal serve, good reply, again a good reply, and just very good exchange. Good tosses going on now. Vijender smashes and Rajpal taps. And good reply by Navdeep. Good exchange is going on. Quality shots are being exchanged. Beautiful. It was a very, very, very good point. Good rally, but in favor of Vijender and Rajpal. Again a drinks break. Third game, change of sides. Again a crucial juncture of the game. Half time was ended with an excellent rally. All the players are quality players. And that is why they are in finals. At half time, Vijender and Rajpal are ahead in the third game. 11-9 is the score. It is a neck and neck game. Rajpal serves to Navdeep. Oh, although serve was not that good, but just Ramlakhan could not negotiate. Good service by Rajpal and good reply by Navdeep and good exchange. Good, good smash by Ramlakhan. Get a point. Earlier it was water break, now it is dhol break. In fact, dhol is also to encourage the players. That is why they don't mind it. It is to give them an honor.